Lindib Optimum. Complex solution of prefabricated halls from hot-dip galvanized steel. "100% galvanized structural elements, superior protection against corrosion." Structural elements assembled on the ground will reduce lifting equipment time. Reduced labors, only 4 people required for erection. All material from Lindib is designed and produced to accelerate erection time. (25 to 30% less components to install compared to other steel buildings). Standard equipment for easy and fast assembly. Secondary elements fit for manual handling, max 50 to 60 kilograms. Roof and wall cladding from Lindib sandwich panels or trapezoidal sheets. Simplified details plus less components equals faster and easier installation. Lindib Optimum.